Nation, what up? I'm out here chilling. I heard just chilling myself. Yeah, I see I'm rocking the gang today, man. What? Just the gas pump talking. But yeah, man. I'm finna head on this little journey, man. Hold on. Alright, y'all, we back. Yeah, man, so I'm on the hunt for a throttle body, man, for MayRose. I'm thinking I'm having issues with my throttle body. Like if I ride for where if I start my car, it runs fine, but like if I put it in gear, reverse drive, whatever, like it'll die. So I mean it'll start right back up, but it'll die. And like when man, later, please go and get out of my way. Once I drive for a while, it'll just completely die, and like it's almost like I'm out of gas. So like I have no throttle response at all. Like I can pat the gas or touch the gas all I want, and it won't do anything. So I don't know if it's like, and it's one of those, and it wasn't doing it at first, so I don't know. It's one of those eBay throttle bodies. So I'm trying to find an OEM throttle body and see if that's my problem, because I talked to Marley Island Man. I talked to him and he was like, a lot of people have problems with those aftermarket throttle bodies, like when they change them out and stuff. So he said he really only uses the I think the fast one and the OEM ones. So I'm about to go and see what I can come across at the yard and see if they got one. Of course, I'm gonna probably have to get tuned again, because it's probably gonna read different, but that's okay. It's fine. I just need the problem fixed. So I'm gonna go up here, man, check one of these yards real quick before I go and pick little dude up. And yep. Try to get my problem solved. Yeah, man. So what I end up doing, I think I told you I needed a throttle body for MayRose, right? Because I got the aftermarket one, and like I'm having a problem, I'm having an issue. I think I told y'all what my issue was, so I ain't gotta go through that. But anyway, so yeah, I told y'all earlier I had my 78 Chevy Boy shirt on, right? So I went to the junkyard. No throttle bodies, right? Can't find a throttle body nowhere. I go all through the junkyard, can't find a throttle body. So I end up going, damn bug tried to get me. But I end up walking through the junkyard. I was about to leave the junkyard. I went down a road that I thought I went down, but I didn't go down. It was an avalanche on the road. I was like, well, let me check the avalanche. Well, the motor was still in the avalanche, but the intake was gone. So I was like, man, what, I'm finna roll. some just said, hey, look inside the truck. Look inside the truck, see if anybody laid anything in there. Man, I look inside the truck, man. It's 2 truck intakes and throttle bodies sitting on the passenger seat. I think this shirt brought me good luck, man. So, here we go. I got 2 of them things, man. So, I just sprayed some clean on them. I'm about to clean them up. And, I got a, adapter. Cause the one that I got now, the intake that I got now is a 4-bolt intake. But I got, and you know what? I think I need to go back. Now that I think about it, unless this got the bolts in it, and I don't think it do. I think I need to go back and get some throttle body bolts, because I'll go back tomorrow. Oh no, wait, it got bolts in there. Bam, it got bolts in there. So I got this right here, got that adapter that goes to the 4-bolt intake, and then it got your 3 bolts right here. Yeah, you got your 3 bolts right there. So I ain't gotta I ain't gotta do that. Let me see how that work. Yep, I got 3 in them. So 1, 2. I don't know how they go up top. That don't look like one. But we'll figure it out though. But yeah, so look like it's gonna all work out. I don't know how this gonna work though with that middle bolt, because this hole here is a little bigger and there ain't no 3s in it. So I don't know how that's gonna work. So yeah, I don't know. But anyway, like I said, we'll figure it out. I'll make some work. But yeah, maybe if I get them too tight enough, I ain't gotta worry about the top one. But yeah, man. So that was my little adventure for today. I'm about to clean these boys up, and yeah, see what it do. Yeah, so we got them cleaned up. Yeah, the degrees, this one, it was real oily, but it's still clean. Under that tape, I had to tape it off so I ain't get nothing. I ain't want to get all this stuff in there. I don't know if that makes a difference or whatever, but anyway, yeah, I had to go ahead and clean them up, man. And yeah, as soon as I get this rear end fixed, I'll go ahead and as soon as I get this rear end fixed, I'm gonna go ahead. Let me see. Yeah. Go ahead and put it on there, put that adapter on it, put it on there. And yeah. Get that tune to, cause he said I'm gonna have to tune it. I'm gonna have to retune the car to that throttle body, because yeah, over there. Because something about the aftermarket ones and this is different, so I'm gonna have to do that. And yeah, so like I said, the car runs fine. It just runs it when it does that. Like, I don't understand, but whatever. It is what it is. I can't wait to get this rear end done so I can get back in my car, man. As soon as I get the rear end done. Well, as a matter of fact, he said that he was gonna come over here either Monday or Tuesday and check it out, because he said sometimes the screw bags out. It's a screw. Where's the screw at? I can't see it because I'm over on the other side, but y'all probably can see it from where y'all at, I guess. I don't know. There's a screw up here somewhere. It might be right here. Nah, that ain't it. Right here. I think it's right here. Might be that one. Let me see. Yeah. This screw right there, he said they back out sometimes, so I don't know. He said, but they back out a little bit from the vibration or whatever, so I don't know. Because like I said and like he said, my car wasn't doing it at first. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it is. But yeah, I don't know. Whatever. I just want it fixed. So that's all I'm really concerned about at this point. I just want it fixed. But I got these two just in case. I'm setting them up on the shelf because they gonna get some type of use. Matter of fact, they might just get some use anyway, and might just take the aftermarket stuff out. They might just get some use anyway, because I don't even want to deal with them type of problems. So they might get use anyway. So yeah. But yeah, man, that's about it. As of today's video, that's about it. I don't know the length of it, but I might be able to add some more stuff in there or something. If not, man, mosquito bit me. If not, man, you know what I'm saying? We'll figure it out. But I need to drive my car hard because I deserve it. And I ain't been in my car. Man, look how dirty my car is. Can y'all see that? Can y'all even see all that? Yeah, I can't see it. You can see it on the trunk. And my car dirty is... I'll get out. I want a washer. I want a driver. I want to, man, post up and just stand beside of mine and you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Can't do that right now though. She wanna act ugly. But anyway, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Like I said, I might add some to this video. If not, it's your boy below 25, man. It is what it is. Yo, what's going on? All right, look, check this out, man. Something very, very, very legendary, man, just came up to the house, man. So feel like I gotta show y'all what it is, man, and I'm instantly about to use it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm telling y'all, man. Hey, man, we moving up, man. Below Nation moving up in the world, man. So y'all a part of it, man. Y'all got to show this stuff off, man. Check out what we got going on, man. I'm talking about. Ooh, Below Nation Tumbler, man. Below Nation Tumbler, man. What'd that say? Tumbler, 20-ounce steel, man. Yeah, man. This y'all finna see me with from now on, man. Y'all shoot on over to the website, man, and grab y'all one, man. 20 ounces. Hey, man. Ain't nobody drinking no more than 20 ounces of a hard beverage anyway. 20 ounces of water is good for you. You know what I'm saying? They only give you 8-ounce bottles. You know what I'm saying? That's an 8-ounce bottle, right? Let me see. It's a 16-ounce. 16-ounce bottles. Okay, 16 ounces. That's 20. It's 20 ounces. Cook, man. And it's gonna keep it cold. Man, look, I'm gonna wash it out right now. It just came in the mail. Just now, look. It's the box came in right here. Just came in the mail, man. So yeah, I got my sample. Got that going on. Yeah, man. So y'all go to the site, man. Grab y'all some of that right there, man. Yes, sir.